Launching your AI automation agency but lost in the sea of AI tools? We will reveal the essential tools you need to launch your AI agency like a pro. First, let us cover tools for starting and scaling your AI business. Slack, your communication hub. Slack serves as the internal communications hub for your business. It's a versatile and efficient tool for team communication and collaboration. It allows you to create private channels, streamlining communication for specific projects. Slack allows users to integrate with a variety of tools and services such as Office 365, Google, Trello, streamlining work and keeping teams updated. Slack's integration with services like Airtable or Zapier facilitates automation as your business scales. Next, Stripe, seamless payment processing. Stripe simplifies payment collection from clients. With easy setup and various payment methods, it streamlines financial transactions. Next is Notion, organized like a pro. Notion is known for its simplicity, familiarity, and affordability, making it a suitable option for single users and small teams looking to streamline their work and projects. It offers templates like My Second Brain for efficient document management, note taking, and writing. It offers a clean, minimalistic editor for creating notes, books, and articles with formatting options such as headings, bulleted lists, and code blocks. Users can also add images, videos, and files to their notes. Task and project management. Notion provides features for task and project management, allowing users to plan, collaborate, and organize their work. Collaboration and teamwork. The platform supports seamless collaboration, enabling users to share work, make comments, mention colleagues, and integrate with popular third-party apps such as Google Drive and Slack. Database and knowledge management. Notion allows users to create databases, tables, and lists with customization options such as different views, filters, and sorting. Next is ClickFunnels, your website and sales funnel builder. ClickFunnels is a comprehensive online tool designed to help businesses and entrepreneurs create effective sales funnels and websites to improve their online sales and marketing strategies. Drag and drop page builder. Users can easily create and customize web pages using a drag and drop interface, which simplifies the process of building landing pages and sales pages. Sales funnel builder. This core feature provides a library of pre-built sales funnels for various purposes such as lead generation, product sales, and event hosting. Email marketing and CRM. ClickFunnels includes email marketing tools and a customer relationship management system to manage leads and customer interactions. Next, Instantly, multi-channel prospecting. Combine your email and LinkedIn outreach in one tool with Instantly. It offers multi-channel prospecting. Smart AI warm-up. With the largest warm-up pool on the market, featuring over 200,000 real human accounts, Instantly.ai's warm-up tool automatically interacts with your emails by opening, clicking, replying, and marking them as important. Powerful automation tools. Instantly.ai allows for the creation and management of multiple campaigns with ease. Users can set up triggers, follow-ups, personalization, tracking, and analytics for each campaign. It also offers integration with CRMs or other tools via Zapier or API, making it a robust solution for scaling outreach campaigns. Inbox rotation. This feature manages the distribution of emails across different inboxes to optimize deliverability and engagement. B2B lead database. Instantly.ai offers a vast B2B lead database to support users in kickstarting their email campaigns, providing a significant advantage for users looking to expand their outreach. Loom for effortless video creation. Loom is a video messaging tool which is powerful for creating, editing, and sharing video content. Screen and camera recording. Users can record their screen, camera, and microphone to create personalized video messages. Easy sharing and embedding. Loom provides simple sharing and embedding options, making it easy to distribute videos to intended audience. Transcriptions and closed captions. The platform supports transcriptions and closed captions, enhancing accessibility and comprehension for viewers. AI features. Loom's AI suite includes features such as auto titles, auto summaries, auto chapters, auto tasks, filler word removal designed to enhance productivity and engagement. Now let us look at some tools for AI service delivery. Voiceflow, your bot building tool. Voiceflow is a go-to platform for building chatbots and conversational assistants. No-code agent builder. Design complex conversations using advanced features specifically tailored for building AI chatbots. Advanced conversation logic. Create intricate conversation flows with conditions, variables, and custom code. Integrate your chatbot with external or internal APIs directly within Voiceflow. Knowledge-based training. Upload and train your chatbot on custom datasets using Voiceflow's knowledge base. Instantly start testing your chatbot with the uploaded data. Templates for various use cases. Get started with chatbot templates for popular scenarios created by the Voiceflow team and community. Next tool is Make. Data processing made easy. Make.com is an automation software that allows users to connect apps and design workflows without needing to code, automating repetitive tasks. Make.com can automate a wide range of tasks such as sending emails, posts on social media, and processing orders. Visually create and build workflows. Make.com provides a visual interface for creating and building workflows, making it easier for users to understand and manage their automation processes. Its compatibility with other tools like Voiceflow or Zapier makes it an essential part of the automation process. Airtable, streamlining data management. Airtable is a powerful tool for managing and processing data. You can create custom web page applications for clients and utilize features like bulk run for efficient data classification. Airtable combines the functionality of a spreadsheet with the power of a database, allowing users to organize and manage various types of data effectively. Airtable offers automation capabilities, enabling users to streamline repetitive tasks and workflows, thus increasing efficiency. Data is synced in real time, ensuring that any changes are automatically updated across all workflows and places where the data appears, eliminating the need for manual updates.